Hi, I'm David Connolly, Product Management Director at Taoglas, and today I'm excited to introduce the HP5354, our award-winning Inception patch antenna. At just 4 mm tall, it's the lowest profile dual-band GNSS L1-L5 antenna on the market, and it's designed for space-constrained environments where high precision cannot be compromised. Despite the ultra-thin form, it delivers outstanding performance with excellent axial ratio, group delay and phase center offset. It's perfect for applications like drones, robotics, asset tracking or precision agriculture. It has a 35 by 35 mm footprint, and a patch within a patch design means that there's no stacked patches. It's optimized for a 70 by 70 mm ground plane, so you don't have to sacrifice signal quality or reliability for size. It also integrates seamlessly with the Taoglas TFM modules, speeding up your development and deployment, enabling full system level tuning. If you need a compact, cost-effective L1-L5 patch antenna that performs like a heavyweight, look no further than the HP5354.A. If you want to learn more, visit taoglas.com and reach out to us for samples.